Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst hitting the red subscribe button, do please make sure you hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So today's video I am doing, as I say this every time, because if it's not a fashion video, I'm like something a little bit different, which it is a little bit different for me. So as you can see by the title of said video, I picked up some new bedding from Primark I think it was two weeks ago or so, and I wanted just to kind of do a video and show you what I've got, and just to kind of express my thoughts on that. I think I caught COVID again. I've had it before, so I was down for for a week. I think it's just over a week. So I didn't do a video last week, but I thought this will be a nice little easy one to ease me back in, because I do feel like I still sound a little bit like croaky, but it is what it is. Thankfully it wasn't too major for me, no complications or anything like that, so I'm here to do the video. So basically I have redecorated my bedroom. It's just white, and I've been looking for some new bedding to kind of complement the tones and etc that I'm going with. I have whites, I have neutrals, I have wood. So what I was after was like a linen kind of bedding to kind of tie it all together, if you like. That was for me the last major piece. I do need a new lampshade, but that's again something that I can get at a later date, but I really did want the bedding. When I'm looking around everywhere, it's really expensive. It's like £70–80 for linen bedding. I'm like, but it's linen, like it's not silk. But anywho, I managed to go into Primark, which is not a place I frequent a lot, so I thought it'd be interesting to do a video and just kind of let you know my thoughts on said bedding, and if it's nice or worth the kind of if it's worth looking into if you are after some reasonably, can't say the word, good price bedding. Can't get the word out. Reasonably, I struggle. Anyway, so I will show you the bedding. So I'll pop in some inserts now. So I picked up a king size. My duvet is king size, but my bed is a double. I like the extra amount of duvet, so I have that. And then I managed to pick up a fitted sheet, and I also picked up an extra 2 pillows. The actual king size duvet set came with 2 pillow cases, but I needed an extra 2 for the other ones. So I am going to pop these on, and I think what I'm going to do is I'll pop them on, I'll show you what it looks like fresh on, and then I think I'll sleep in it, see what it's like, if it's comfy or not, and then I will come back and let you know my final thoughts on it. So I will just do a little what do they call it, montage of me popping on the bedding. So she's back. Yes, I'm back. So as you would have seen, I've put on the bedding, and what I will say, the bottom fitted sheet, which is for a double bed, which mine is, it's actually got quite a lot of fabric, so it's a little bit bigger than a double, which is quite annoying because I like it to be quite, you know, fitted, which is because it's called a fitted sheet. The button detail which we have at the top, I will show you a cutaway of that. It's nice, but it's hidden under the pillows, so you can't really see them. And the pillows themselves are quite nice. I'm pleasantly surprised with them. It feels really nice. So as I say, I've not slept in it yet, so I'm going to sleep in it, see how I feel. As I say, it feels really nice. And then obviously, I suppose the other thing would be how it washes. But for the price, if I get a couple months out of it, I'd be more than happy with that. If I get longer, bonus. So yeah, so I will jump away. I've got some cleaning up to do. I've got some stuff that I need to pack away, so I'm going to go and do that, and then I will come back and let you know once I've slept in it, what my thoughts are, how it felt, all that kind of thing. I'm a bit shiny because I'm all juiced up. I've done my skincare. I've got my sun protection on. It's not that. It started off quite sunshiny before, but it looks like it's going to throw it down. I do need to go out and get something to eat because I'm starving. So maybe I should have done that earlier when it didn't look like it was going to throw it down, but okay. Oh well, these things happen. So I'm going to go away now, finish tidying up, and then I'm probably just going to chillax for the rest of the day. So I hope you're all good out there, whatever you're doing. But yeah, I'll catch you a little bit later. Hello, hello everyone, and welcome back. So this is day 2 and of the Primark bedding review. So as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I wanted to kind of sleep in the bedding and see how it felt and things like that, just to kind of give you a little bit more of a review. And what I will say is, it is relatively comfortable. To be fair, I thought it was going to be a little bit more, I don't know, like a bit rougher with it being linen. Don't know why, and I don't know why. That's kind of how I thought it was going to be, but it felt really nice. Obviously I haven't washed it, so I don't know what it's going to be like after I've washed it and all that kind of thing. And I suppose longevity wear. I've never had any linen bedding before, so I don't know what to expect. But first impression, I'm very happy with it. I don't think these are on sale in Primark at the moment. As I say, I got these on sale, but maybe they'll have something similar. So you can maybe pop in if you've got one close by to you. I don't know if they do online. I don't think they do online, but anyway, if you are interested, as I say, it was just to give you an idea. I've never bought, as I say, any bedding anyway from Primark, so I wasn't too sure what to expect. I wasn't too sure if I wanted to, but I was pleasantly surprised. So I am off to the gymnasium today, so I just thought I'd come on quickly and close out this video. So if you do have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section down below. So if you've bought bedding from Primark before, let me know what your experience is. Did it wash well, wear well, that kind of thing. Leave your comments in the comment section down below, and that might, we can help each other out. Please do make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave if you haven't already done so. And if you did enjoy the video, which I'm not sure why you wouldn't have, please do make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. And I think that is all I needed to say, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now. See ya.